Did you know scientists have created a place on Earth that's colder than outer space? Yes, at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, or MIT, researchers broke a world record. They cooled molecules to just 38 trillionths of a degree above absolute zero. But what is absolute zero? It's the coldest temperature possible, where atoms literally stop moving. That's minus 273.15 degrees Celsius or 0 Kelvin. Nothing in the universe can get colder than this, at least in theory. To reach this freezing point, scientists used lasers and magnets to slow down atoms and then combined sodium and potassium atoms to make ultra-cold molecules. These molecules were trapped and cooled until they moved slower than a snail's pace, basically almost frozen in time. Outer space is about 2.7 Kelvin, but this lab, it hit 0.038 Kelvin, making it the coldest place ever created. But why go this cold? At these temperatures, strange things happen, such as atoms behave like waves, new types of matter form, and it brings us closer to building powerful quantum computers. In just one lab, scientists pushed the limits of nature. They didn't just chill atoms, they froze time, space, and possibilities.